Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by degreasing and drying the stainless. Once clean, sand from 400 grit to 800 then 1200 because removing deep scratches first gives a uniform base. Use consistent, overlapping strokes, avoid twisting motions that create swirls. After each grit change, wipe with a lint-free cloth and inspect under light, making sure all earlier scratches are gone. Use light pressure. Let the abrasive do the work. When 1200 shows a smooth, even finish, you're ready to move to fine polishing. Once the base is smooth, switch to 2000-3000 grit or a 0.5-micron polishing compound to refine the surface to a mirror-like level. You should polish with a rotary tool at low speed or a hand pad, pressure light and steady, to prevent heat that can discolor stainless. Frequently wipe away residue and inspect from different angles. Make sure reflections are even. After abrasive polishing, apply a small amount of metal polish and buff with a clean wheel until a bright, silver-like sheen appears. You finish by protecting the new silver look. Apply a clear lacquer or a thin layer of microcrystalline wax to prevent fingerprints and oxidation. Once sealed, clean only with pH-neutral detergent and soft cloths to maintain shine. If the finish dulls or shows haze, repolish a small test area. Often the issue is heat discoloration or cross-scratch from improper grit progression. If that happens, go back one grit step, remove the defect, then repeat the fine polish and reseal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.